To beat those poor old blues, yeah.
Can you identify this?
Optical character recognition.
The ability to spot weirdos in a crowd.
It's that kind of thinking that's made our company great.
This program will be seen by thousands of our military men overseas who think that Ralphin is Vietnamese for patent place.
Very interesting. But this whole show is one huge typographical error.
Take two, show number 4. From the quota room of the Hotel Bluebird, the Office Products Division presents the Ralphin. Brought to you today by McGlenn's Oatmeal Carbon Paper.
Good morning, IBM. You'd like to talk to an IBM executive? Oh, well, really, sir, our machines type beautifully, but we haven't yet figured out how to make them talk.
Filbertson, it's true you're the district leader and made the club by April. You've got a great sales record. But there's something I've been meaning to talk to you about.
Anything wrong, boss?
The first 4 bits of addresses to data will be written into the first 4 bits of the A word.
But I wouldn't give you 2 bits for the whole book.
IBM is proud to announce another fine product for office use. A typewriter specifically designed for offices not equipped with electricity. Gentlemen, I give you the IBM kerosene typewriter. Now, if we can only find an asbestos carbon paper.
Everyone should have at least 3 chances.
Now let's join the party.
I have to laugh at my graphics quota. I netted a -15% too.
That's not funny.